On the press release issued on 18th of September, IMD had forecasted that there will be increase in rainfall over Goa from 19th of September onwards. On 19th, there were 2 stations reporting heavy rainfall, and in the past 24 hours, 5 stations have reported very heavy rainfall, that is rainfall exceeding 12 centimeters. And then there were 4 or 5 other stations which reported heavy rainfall. The highest rainfall in past 24 hours was reported at Sangye, which reported 18 centimeters of rainfall. Ponda and Sankli reported 13 centimeters, Valpoi and Kepem reported 12 centimeters. Then Margao reported 9, Pernem and Kankona 8 centimeters, and Ila reported 7 centimeters. So, like it was forecasted on 18th, the rainfall activity is going to continue up to 22nd of September. The weather systems that are enhancing this rainfall are the main one is a low pressure area that has formed over Bay of Bengal, and as on today it's lying near coastal Odisha. Then there is a weather enhancing system called shear zone, which is now passing through 17° north latitude between a height of 3.1 to 7.6 kilometers. And apart from that, there is another circulation, comparatively smaller, weaker circulation near the coast of Maharashtra. So all these systems are going to enhance the rainfall activity, and the enhanced activity is going to continue up to 22nd of September. Like IMD had forecasted earlier, on 21st of September also there is a probability that 1 or 2 stations over Goa will report extremely heavy rainfall, that is rainfall exceeding 20 centimeters. So considering that probability, for today, that's for 21st of September, IMD Goa has issued a red colored warning for Goa, and tomorrow there is probability of very heavy rainfall at 1 or 2 places of North and South Goa districts. Very heavy is the rainfall exceeding 12 centimeters in 24 hours. So the main important thing is that once this rainfall of the order of very heavy or heavy is persisting for more than 2 or 3 days, there is a good probability that regions which are vulnerable for weather related disasters, they will require extra monitoring and extra precautions. There are probabilities of localized flooding or waterlogging in low-lying areas. Then there are probabilities that rivers may swell, causing localized flooding. So people are requested that who are living in areas near to such prone areas should be taking extra precautions for the coming 48 hours. Now there are fishermen warning also for these 2 to 3 days. The wind speed over the coast of North Maharashtra, South Maharashtra and Goa is going to be experiencing winds of speed 45 to 55, sometimes even gusting up to 60 kilometers per hour. So 21st, 22nd and 23rd of September, fishermen are advised not to venture along and off coasts of Goa and Maharashtra. On 21st and 22nd, even for the regions of Karnataka and Kerala coast also, wind speed warning is there. So fishermen should avoid going into along and off coast of Karnataka and Kerala as well on 21st and 22nd. Now regarding the total rainfall, seasonal total rainfall over Goa, the state average rainfall value now stands on around 389 centimeters, which is approximately 33% higher than the normal value. Last year for the entire season, the total seasonal rainfall was around 394 centimeters. So there is a good probability that this year's rainfall total will exceed last year's value. It is requested that public be updated with the latest information and warning issued from IMD. Information is published on IMD Goa's website as well as on its social media platforms.